This person, when I want to talk about, I don't see him before now. No see your papa they get problem. Whether you be Ishan, you know be Ishan, that's why you be human being. I for don't settle them. And if now when people they report this kind of matter to me, I for don't carry myself enter. There would have be peace. And I'll take my time to listen to one of Benjamin's video. Blood is thicker than water. No home where they know they get problem. Mostly when you leave your children when they're young, you can't travel abroad. Those children know they be like your children. They always be like your enemies. There is no amount of love you go show when they go understand your predicament. And even though you later bring them closer, there are things you go they do, they go opposite with each other. It's very normal what these people are passing through. But area where I sorry for the guy and the family, he no marry wife, he no see wife marry, that one not be wife. Not be wife, not be better wife, not be anything. A content creator when they use in father-in-law, they create content. That one not be wife. So if to say he marry wife when they bring home together, this woman for enter this guy papa, no matter what happen, they will get peace. There are different type of peace in this kind of situation. Peace to just today, we not go quarrel, we not go sweet. Now they first do for them. But they are using them to cash cruise, including Benjamin himself, using papa they cash cruise. Think say if he threaten papa will succumb. Benjamin not be beneath you there. Maybe say you think say na threat, now you go take bring your father. Because I watch one of your video when you say you threaten and say you go pour on seed, you go do this, and maybe that one use against you. You're not supposed to go that far. You are no longer a child. If to say them born you not get papa or say as your mama carry belly, your papa not there alive, you for not still succeed. I see the fault from both of you, and I see waiting make una no fit settle na the woman when you marry. When you say not to use your papa to they do content. I listen to this guy. He might not be a good guy, but he's not a bad guy. He's a person with few words, not be a person like when body they pepper when they talk and you don't even know how to talk. If you want to talk, if they make mistake for a word. This kind of person, you know they quit the verb, but if he verse, he go bad. To say he get better wife, they for not go this far. So my brother Benjamin, wait I want to tell you. In case you see this video, if people love you, stop there. May I tell you one spirit when they for Isha and the whole world. Even though your papa not do you well, when you are attacking your father because he not do you well, your children, you won't do your children well, your children will still come attack you. So not to go far. What has happened has happened. Europe abroad is not the end of the road. If your God say your destiny is not in abroad, even if your papa draw you closer, you will still face this condition when you do, so that you go and trace your success back home. You have a good shape, you are a nice guy, you don't need all these things. I thank God say you are coming now so that the pressure not go too much. You don't need these things you are doing. May life not come they lower you. Life will they lower you, they say, nah, papa swear for and what else not be your papa do waiting will come they worry you later in the future. Not be him. If your papa, you say, nah, useless person, this one, good and fine. Leave and make him face in life. The man don't hold it, don't the near grave. Leave and not come use you when you see yourself as better than your father. Make sins of your father not come follow you. All these people, when they ginger you, they are not doing you well. I take God beg you, stop there. Stop there just because of your future and your children. I cannot tell you it's already late. It's never too late. I also heard in that video when you say, now you be the only son. You can imagine, your father's problem should be your problem. If your father is useless, you are big enough to rectify your father. Not be by threat. This man has nothing to lose, oh Benjamin, in case you don't know. Your father has long been a jammy. In sense, he turned upside down, sorry to say. You now, when you don't see life for Nigeria, now you still there more Nigeria past your papa. Your father is not reasoning the way he's supposed to reason as a black man. And the way you dey talk, be like say they marry white woman now. So if na true say they marry white woman, couple with the fact say don't take for Germany to the essence he work retire, your father is no longer a black man. And most of the things your father will be reacting to, now that woman when he say marry if na white. And most of the thing when you bring una to this junction, now that your wife, you not get wife, now paper document wife, now you be get. That woman is not in any way a wife material. Pick your pieces together, Mr. Man. It's not over yet. You are too handsome to come bring yourself, make them they swear for you, make which they pinch you, make them say na the cause of your father. Enter house. If you want to pretend that you settle with your father, pretend to the world, say, yes, we have sorted it out. And they hear you, they still they curse your uncle when they say, may you stop. You are biting more than you can swallow in the name of Pepper Body. Yes, I can do worse. Me can do worse than this if I find myself in your shoe. But at the end of the day, I will collect woto at the same time when the storm is over. There are too much opportunity in that Nigeria you are seeing. If you know how to follow, count your footsteps. Opportunity there. And if you're to be abroad is your dream, it's not over yet. If to be abroad is your dream, it's not over yet. You are too young for this. You suppose hide, enter house, you go hide, come out. People will see your light again. This one they drag enemy for your young life. It's not. See, nobody go see you when no jealous. You are too handsome. And this thing when you come they do now, they blow whistle for your life. May they not come say, the guy be too handsome. We know in they will just conclude, na papa kosa. Anybody when want deal with you now, he go they put and say, na papa kosa. Even your wife self, not be better woman. That one don't go native daughter for your head. They'll see they sending the result when come outside, na papa kosa. If not be say abroad, I don't want to talk much. A word is enough for the wise. I wish and I hope that you see this peace advice. Very peaceful one. It will help you if you listen. But I know pray say make you not listen. In case you not listening, when the thing don't they pray football for your head, the wahala don't gather, don't accumulate. You will come to remember Swagalicious doctor say he talk and that man thought he was stupid. I wish and I pray that I get to you on time. You will have to play my video in the night when you want sleep. Put them near your head. Listen again. Then if you wake up in the morning before you start to do anything, play them again. Put them near your head. The thing will enter. Leave your father alone. Pretend that everything is okay. Both you and your father, in your action and reaction, you still wrong gun. Now, out of fear, now you make no one even deal with you past this one, make you not come radical. But I am very sorry I didn't know this on time. If I had seen all this reggae and blues playing on internet before this deportation time, my brother, you for escape plan. I don't want to talk about your paper. I don't want to talk about why must you leave Nigeria. That one. You're not supposed to leave according to people who know the document. Good and fine, but some people you risk and go come. You know, say person they point weapon at you. You say take the bullet. You know, dog the bullet. Even so you get passport now, you're supposed to the fear to go and say, the way my papa they point hand at me. I don't want risk more. I don't want to blame you now. This is not the time to start pointing finger at who is wrong or who is right. I don't want to blame you. I don't want to read your document. I don't want to read spiritual meaning to it. Go and hide your head. I am not saying don't come out to do video, because the only way you can succeed now is you're talking, you're dancing. People gather you, they insult you, they like you. That is the only way you will survive it like miracle. But please try to remove your father from the picture, even though you are not happy with him. It's enough. I feel your pain, whether you are wrong or right. No matter what, abroad, Western world still remain the best at this moment. Even though you don't like them, at least you go feel they go, they come. Even though you don't like them. But that is not the end of your life. How old are you? Do you know people of 50-something years, people of 60-something who just retired from police, they are still queuing up, they want to come to abroad. And when they come, remember they are starting at fresh. They will start afresh. So you now, let's forget that you are still 11 years or less or more in Europe. See yourself as a young guy who can also travel now, who is preparing to travel. Forget, let every life, having children, everything you have lived in abroad, let it be like a dream to you. Say, nah, dream, not be reality. Look, act like you want to start hustling now to come to abroad. But don't pass Libya roads. Don't pass Libya road. You will be there if it's your dream. Calm down. And women are already falling in love with you now. Not that your wife. Oh. You will see a good woman who will make you not to even suffer. You know, will remember saying, Nigeria, you there, depending on when the person can even come and marry you and take you to any country. There are so many opportunities for you now if you not talk much. You get level when you will talk, that woman say, would they fear you, say, you will deal with them more if he follow you. So don't threaten. Just be dancing and be appreciating people in your video. If they like, they donate. If they like, no, don't insult anybody. The person to insult you, block the person. Bam. To insult you, you just broken. Chicken, everybody go their separate way. You are too handsome to be destroyed. People will take advantage of this saga. Before you know it, we are Zigme. I know we'll call you small picking, but it's very painful. I can feel your pain. Take it easy. This advice, you are not going to find it funny, but I want you to accept it now so that it will not be too late for you. God bless you. And to your father, I don't know if he's a social media person. I would like to have the telephone number of your father. According to waiting you dey explain, because every lie has atoms of truth, and every truth still get the atoms of lie. Waiting you dey explain, I cannot condemn you, say everything you forge. So certain things when I pick from some of your video, your father failed woefully in some areas, even though it has to be his lifestyle. So if I have the number of your dad, I will call him. He still need to do one or two things. He still need to draw you closer. He still need to say, yes, even though I not do all I do for a reason, I'm sorry. He will still pray for you. Time still there. And sometimes you may say, God, thank you for this deportation. You never know now. Just wait and see, but take it easy, my guy. I don't know you, but I know you. May the peace of the Lord, the ancestors of your land, protect you, guide you, strengthen you, open more way for you. This way has closed according to our innocent eye, but many ways has opened for you. O digin ogbeni olokun bononya go din bojin wase. Popo na figbu kedegbu popo na figbu na degbo na. Uwe degbo mi ame degbo se ka degbo so ge degbo u jagbo giamu. Asiri na re yogbe de ahwan rogba. Back to sender. Okawi oku egbe gogu la mi orola. Shall be well with you. Take it easy. God bless you. Remember,